Hi and welcome to another BOS vlog, week number 6. I'm off work at the moment, so I decided to take a few days off because I was feeling a bit poorly at the end of last week. But I've had a few days to chill and I feel much better now, so I'm raring to go. While I was poorly, I did actually do a bit of drawing. It just helps me relax. So I've got some new artwork that I have been turning into kits this morning. So I've actually done there's 2 different standard vertical kits now. So from now on, any new artwork, there will be 2 different versions. So we're going to have the 3-page kit that we had previously, which is now going to be called the mini kit. And then we're going to have the 6-page kit, which you saw in the new kit format. So that one is, I used it for the Start Afresh kit. So there'll be 2 different versions, either the 3-page or the 6-page version. So you can make that choice as to which one you want now. So that will be for all kits going forward. I've also done the matching Hobonichi Weeks kit, and I've also done matching vellum and die cuts. So my next job will be to print all of those out. So I'm going to print them out in a second, and then I'll come back and show you. You'll be able to see the artwork better then once it's actually printed, and then get them all cut ready to add to the shop for the new release day, which is the end of next week. There is another kit that I want to make as well. So I have got some artwork in mind that I'm going to be working on. Once I've got these made, I'm going to do that this afternoon, so I will share some sneak peeks of what I'm drawing. I just went for a walk around the shop, so my cheeks are all flushed. It's a bit cold out there. The printing took quite a while. I had quite a lot to print, so I started cutting while I was printing. So I haven't just got the printed sheets to show you, I've got you the fully cut kits to show you. So the first one is this is the new artwork that I drew when I took a few days off. So it's called Rainy Day, and this is the full kit version. So I'll just go, rather than say what everything is, because you've seen the kit format before, I'll just do a very quick flip through if I can get the pages. So it's all books, umbrellas, coffee, rainy day. I love the washi. So you've got that. Then there's the mini kit, which is the 3-page kit. So you've got that older format that you're used to, with the same washi. And then the full kit comes with a add-on. It's not an option, it just comes with this anyway, so that you've got different options. So you've got some 4 extra full boxes there. And then we've got the hobo kit as well, with the matching washi. They all seem to have, yeah, they've all, I was just looking then, they've all got a different full box. So the wording is on a different background for each of them. And then I've also done some vellum. So we've got the umbrella. If I go forward, there we go, you can see the raindrops on it. So this is them all clustered together so that they're easier to see. But if I do that, you can see what it looks like. So you've got the umbrellas and the rain. Then you've got the, oops, let's put them all back together again. Oh, that wasn't a very good job, was it? Let's line that back up. So you've got the books and the coffee, and the coffee cup has got, is it going to focus? It's got the umbrellas on it. So you've got that one. Bella's having a drink. Then you've got another one. Let me line that one up again. So we've got the girl from the kit, and then the books are in the background, but they're faint. So we've got two options for this one. Oh, I just take them off the printer. So you've got both the girls. I haven't lined that up very well. There we go. So you can choose which girl you have from the kit. And then I've also done the die cuts as well. Just trying to pick those up. I only went with, rather than go with lots of different die cuts, I just went with the two. So again, you can choose the girl. So we've got those. So that's the new artwork. And then I've got some more artwork that I'm going to be drawing a bit later on. I'm just looking at my to-do list as well. I also want to, there's a new girl, not a brand new girl, but one of the planner girls, I've got some new stickers for her as well. So I've done a gin girl, or it's a gin glass that she's holding, but you know, you could use it for other drinks as well. So I've drawn her, so I just need to design the stickers, which is my next job. And then I've got some graphics that I need to make as well for May. So I'll share with you what I'm up to as I go along. I might not share the May graphics with you yet. So what I mean by that is I'm going to be designing the May banners that go on top of the Facebook page, the Facebook group, and the Etsy shop. That changes every month, so I need to do those. I've already designed the May postcard, so I will just follow the theme, and then I want to design the May sampler as well. So I won't share those just yet because it's a bit early to be sharing those. So yeah, just checking my list there. They are the jobs for today. So I finished the May banners last night. I shared with you the gin girls that I designed as well. Today's jobs is to set up April in my B6 stalogy, and then I will take some pictures of all of the new releases that I showed you last night, yesterday afternoon should I say, and then I will get those ready and onto the website as draft listings for the new releases next week. So I'm just going to do my setup and I will film that because that will go on another video on my channel, and then I'll give you a little sneak peek when I've finished. Hi, so I've finished setting up April. A little bit of a sneak peek here. So I've chosen a quote and I've put a vinyl this month on top of the vellum. I won't give you too much of a sneak peek because it'll all be on another video, but that is done. So my next job, I'm going to go and have a cup of tea, and then I'm going to sit and sort out the pictures because I've also taken all the pictures of the new releases, and I'll sort them out and get them added to the website. Morning. I've just got back from the post office. I worked on orders last night, so they have all gone now, and anyone that did place an order will be receiving their dispatch notification throughout today. So I'm just sat in front of my computer. I did the April setup yesterday in my stalogy, so I have edited all of that, and now I'm in the process of uploading it to YouTube, and then I will publish it in just a bit. So I'm going to work on that now, and then I need to have a little look at my to-do list and see what's next for today. Morning everyone. I felt a bit under the weather again yesterday, so I didn't do any videoing, but I did sit and do some drawing. So this morning I have designed these new kits using that artwork, so I thought I'd give you a sneak peek as I've already printed them all off, so they're waiting to be cut. So there's the full kit, which is the 6-page kit, which I've shown you. This is the mini kit at the moment that I'm going through, which is the 3-page kit. There's also the Hobonichi Weeks kit, and we have some die cuts as well. So we've got 4 different die cuts, which I'm about to show you, all coordinating. And there's also 2 different sheets of vellum as well. So tonight I will get those cut and ready so that I can take some pictures of them tomorrow. But I just wanted to say thank you very much for watching another week. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.